The kids are sleeping. It's time to do some exercises. Today we're going to work on some upper body exercises again. So we're going to do, you can scoot forward, tie the resistance band against a deck or a table or whatever is going to be stable enough for you, and slowly bring it back. Punch out and slowly bring it back. Punch out and slowly bring it back. You can do one hand at a time, so you can really focus on each arm. 3 times 20 reps of each arm, like this. And do it slowly. Don't go fast. Or you can do both arms at the same time. There we go. Or you can do the bicep curls right here on that muscle. Instead of doing the weights, you can use this resistive band. They have different resistances. Once again, you can do one hand at a time. And slowly control that muscle. 3 times 20, or you can do together at the same time. Now, targeting the tricep muscle, you can go like this. Bend your elbow. You can see it. Go up. And bring it slowly back down. Up. Bring it slowly back down. As you can see, my arm is shaking. Means my muscles are very weak. So same thing with this one. And then you can also do this one here where you pull it close. You can move as farther away as you can so you can have more of a resistance. Forward and back. Forward. Thank you for watching. Hello ladies. So I promised you I would show you a few relaxing techniques. Find your favorite spot where you feel comfortable and you don't feel so stressed out, and take a moment just to breathe. So I want to show you where I usually go if I get a moment, just so I can have a little bit of time to myself after I'm done exercising. If you can see, I like to come down here, get away from everyone and everything. It's like a different world out here, and you hear the birds, you see the animals. You're literally like, it's at the Metro Parks, it's like a forest. So I get a chance to sit down, think, relax. Doesn't happen as often as I would want it to, but when it does, it's amazing. So there we go. And some techniques I like to do is I like to take a moment and just breathe, a breathing technique, like in through your nose, out through your mouth. At my job, I teach this technique often, but it helps. It helps you relax, and also Just it brings the stress down as well. So in through your nose and out through your mouth. We like to say like you're smelling the roses and blowing out the candles. It's an easy way to remember how to breathe correctly. It's amazing how many of us actually don't breathe the proper way. But yeah, hopefully you can hear that creek sound. And if you don't have the Metro Parks in your backyard, you can always go and take a walk to the park and just sit down, find a nice place and enjoy yourself. Just take a moment to breathe. I hope that helps. When I'm all finished working out, I like to go and enjoy my time on a hammock. Beautiful hammock right here, and just relax. Ladies, it's well deserved. As long as I don't fall off, right? And it's so relaxing just to lay in a hammock, swing, and look up at the trees.